Did you know how simple it is to turn your images into PDF files within the Files application on your iPhone? Let's dive in. So for this example, I've already selected certain pictures and put them into a folder. So first let's go ahead and select all of the images, and from the bottom menu you can choose to create a PDF. Once you're done with this, you can rename this file and also view the PDF as simple as this within the files folder itself. The next cool feature is you can simply remove backgrounds from an image by selecting it and choosing the remove background option. But for this, the image has to have a clear background and a foreground. The other cool feature is also you can choose an image and convert it within 3 different file formats and 4 different image sizes. And the final one is, no matter how many images you have within the Files application, you can simply compress these files into one single zip file within the Files application itself. How quick and simple was that? I hope you found this useful. Chat with your friends, leave a thumbs up, follow me for more quick tips like this. See you in the next one.